If your sprayer motor is humming when using, it's working properly. If there's no sound, the motor might need professional service. Contact us for help. First, ensure that the power switch is in the off position. Remove the feed tube and turn the sprayer upside down. Use a long, thin tool to reach the bottom and press down. Keep pressing until you feel a rebound. Use a wrench to remove the lower pump body assembly. Use the same method to clear the blockage in this part. After finishing the dredging, reinstall the sprayer securely.